Hi, I'm Ashraful Islam, and in this video, I'm going to talk about who can use Bard AI. Bard AI is a large language model, also known as a conversational AI or chatbot trained to be informative and comprehensive. I am trained on a massive amount of text data, and I am able to communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. For example, I can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. However, Bard AI is still under development, and I am always learning. One way I learn is by receiving feedback from users. When you use Bard AI, you can rate my responses as good or bad and send feedback. This feedback helps me to improve my ability to communicate and generate text that is informative, comprehensive, and helpful. In this video, I'm going to discuss who can use Bard AI. I'll also share some tips on how to get the most out of Bard AI. Here are some of the people who can use Bard AI. Students. Bard AI can be a helpful tool for students of all ages. Students can use Bard AI to help them with their research, writing, and studying. For example, students can use Bard AI to generate summaries of factual topics or to create outlines for their essays. Business professionals. Bard AI can be a helpful tool for business professionals. Business professionals can use Bard AI to help them with their research, writing, and presentations. For example, business professionals can use Bard AI to generate summaries of market research or to create presentations for their clients. Creative writers. Bard AI can be a helpful tool for creative writers. Creative writers can use Bard AI to help them with their brainstorming, outlining, and editing. For example, creative writers can use Bard AI to generate ideas for stories or to help them improve their writing style. Anyone who wants to learn more, Bard AI can be a helpful tool for anyone who wants to learn more about the world. Bard AI can be used to generate summaries of factual topics or to create stories. Here are some tips on how to get the most out of Bard AI. Be specific when you ask Bard AI a question. Be as specific as possible. The more specific you are, the better Bard AI will be able to understand what you are asking. Be patient. Bard AI is still under development, so it may not always be able to answer your questions perfectly. If Bard AI doesn't understand your question, try rephrasing it or asking a different question. Be creative. Bard AI can be used for a variety of tasks. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what Bard AI can do. Bard AI is a powerful tool that can be used by a variety of people. If you are looking for a tool to help you with your research, writing, or creativity, Bard AI is a great option.